Look at this. Hey, Lindsay. We're going to take a video of your mom trying to catch a chicken. She's in the house. Go inside. This way, Jason.
She's cheating.
No, it's not.
You gotta get them when they're not cornered.
That's what I said. Go inside. Inside the house.
I'm not sure how I feel about this.
Don't poop on me. Trying to figure out how
Scarred for life.
we're going to do this. To do it the way she wants to do it. I would think you would have to put it back behind their wings. Yeah. And then we've got to catch her again once we get it.
It'll fall off. What are you doing? You got arms now. You're one of us. Feel like, need to find a way to get out.